So today's subject is three modes of material nature. So we'll read from Bhagavad Gita chapter 14, text number 5. 14:5. Please everyone should repeat after me. Sattvam rajas tama iti guna prakriti sambhava निबनन्ति महाबाहु देहे देहिनम अव्ययम् सत्वं रजस्तमा इति गुणा प्रकृति संभवा निबनन्ति महाबाहु देहे देहिनम अव्ययम्. गोविंद सत्वं रजस्तमा इति गुणा प्रकृति संभवा निबनन्ति महाबाहु देहे देहिनाम अव्ययम्. सीता माता जी. सत्वं रजस्तमा इति गुणा प्रकृति संभवा निबंधन्ति महाबाहु देहि देहिनम अव्ययम्. Any girls you want to read? You want to read? Repeat. No. Word to word meaning. Sattvam, the mode of goodness. Rajaha, the mode of passion. Tamaha, the mode of ignorance. Iti, thus. Guna, the qualities. Prakriti, material nature. Sambhava, produced of. Nibandhani, do condition. Mahabaho, O mighty armed one. Dehe, in this body. Dehinam, the living entities. Abhyayam, eternal. Translation. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion, and ignorance. When the eternal living entity comes in contact with nature, O mighty arm Arjun, he becomes conditioned by three modes. Please repeat after me. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion, and ignorance. When the eternal living entity comes in contact with material nature, O mighty armed Arjun, he becomes conditioned by three modes. Purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Sri Prabhupada ki jai. The living entity, because he is transcendental, has nothing to do with material nature. Still, because he has become conditioned by material world, he is acting under the spell of three modes of material nature. Because living entities have different kinds of bodies in terms of different aspects of nature, they are induced to act according to that nature. This is the cause of the varieties of happiness and distress. Nam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pasyadhistarine Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advait Gadadhar Sivasadi Gauru Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Sattvam rajas tama iti guna prakriti sambhava nibananti mahabaho. Dehe dehinam abhyam. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion, and ignorance. When the eternal living entity comes in contact with the nature, O mighty armed Arjun, he becomes conditioned by three modes. Hare Krishna. I am very happy to be here. His Grace Govinda Prabhu invited me to speak about modes of nature. Sometimes it is very difficult to understand about the modes of nature. But it is not difficult, it is very, very easy to understand. We are here, we can see everybody's face is different, everybody's bodily strength is different, everybody's thinking is different. Why is different? We are all human beings. We are going to same, maybe school, college, same teacher is teaching us. We are, if teaching is one, teacher is one, why different differences? Why our consciousness is different? Who can answer? Why we are human being? We are seeing with eyes, everyone. Nobody is seeing with mouth. Nobody can eat with eyes. If everything is proper, like human being, why does so much our bodily feature is different? Our thinking is different. We have different bodily strength also. Somebody is very beautiful. Everybody wants to become very beautiful, handsome. Why we are different? You have this subject there in your college, university. But Bhagavad Gita teaches us very clear. Very clear. Because of differences, only because of three modes of material nature. According to our thinking, according to our thinking we work. According to our work, we get good result and bad result. But thinking is very important. Actually, our thinking must be one. Because if we study Bhagavad Gita, we are talking in three modes of material nature. And this means you have studied at least 13th chapter. That's why we are now in 14th chapter. So, second chapter describes we are not this body. We are soul. And soul is part and parcel of Krishna. Soul is transcendental. Soul is beyond three modes of material nature. So, if we come, either if you know we are not this body, we are soul, if we realize, then our thinking must be one. There is no two thinking. At present time, we are thinking according to our body, according to our mind. We are thinking according to our wherever we have taken birth. As soon as, because this body is a product of certain parents, not soul, not mind, not intelligent, only body. Only body. It's not that somebody is a very learned person, his children will be learned. No, only this material body means there are two types of body, subtle body and gross body. This subtle body takes a gross body takes birth from womb of mother. But subtle body, mind, intelligent and ego comes from previous life. Even you can see sometimes very intellectual persons, children also they are fool. They don't know anything. Yes or not? Because mind does not take birth from the womb of mother. Mind comes with the soul. When we leave this body, we don't leave mind, we don't leave intelligence, we don't leave ego. Three goes with soul. Soul carried by these three things. Therefore, somebody, if he comes on the spiritual platform, means saintly person. Those who are saintly person, their thinking is different. But others, we are thinking according to three modes of material nature. We don't realize. But if we read Bhagavad Gita, only those who becomes free from three modes of material nature, they will realize. They can see how you are working. You are in this mode, you are in this mode. So this material nature means three modes. Modes of goodness, modes of passion, modes of ignorance. Three modes. Just like if you have somebody tied with golden chain, somebody tied with silver chain, somebody tied with iron chain. Either goodness, passion and ignorance. Whatever, but we are controlled by the three modes. But difference is, if somebody in the good modes of goodness, his thinking will be different. He is full of knowledge, peaceful and happiness. Knowledge, peace and happiness is a symptom of the modes of goodness. And it is very, very rare, not all the people. Whatever we are learning in school and college, that learning is not in the modes of goodness. Most of the learning in modes of passion. Whatever we are learning. Therefore, there is no peace in the society. There is no peace in the community. Because our knowledge is product of modes of passion. When we come in the modes of goodness, then we can see, then there is compassion. There is a feeling for the people. Because then there is no greed. Those who are in the modes of goodness, the modes of goodness very, very important. Those who are in the modes of goodness, whatever you have, will satisfy. Those who are in the modes of goodness, they don't harm anyone. They are not greedy. They don't accumulate so much. They don't accumulate so much. But those who are in the modes of passion, Rajo Rajatmikam Viddhi Trishna Viddhi Samadhom, Bhagavad Gita says, same chapter. Trishna means hankering. Those who are in modes of passion, they are attracted so much. Man attracted towards woman, woman attracted towards man. That is called passionate person. Rajo Raja Trishna, hankering. And it is very nicely explained. We can see, because as soon as we attracted opposite sex, immediately lust appears. Then greed appears. These are the symptoms of modes of passion. Those who are modes of goodness, although this is modes of goodness is material thing, But there is no hankering. They plan. One is hankering, one is planning. It's not that they marry. Those who are in modes of goodness, their marriage is planning marriage. They don't marriage after seeing the beauty. No, no. They see the quality. They see the quality. So many symptoms are described in Bhagavad Gita, and practically we can see how whole world is running in the modes of passion. Ignorance means they don't have knowledge. They are very lazy, all sleepy, and they are very violent people. They like to drink so much and sleep so much. And these two modes destroy the spiritual knowledge of human beings. They destroy immediately. So whole world is controlled by these three modes of material nature. So as long as we are controlled by three modes of material nature, especially modes of passion and modes of ignorance, 99% people are controlled by modes of passion and ignorance. There is no question of peace in the society, community, and family. There is no question. There is no question of happiness. There is no happiness. You can see where is happiness? Because we are controlled by modes of passion. And sometimes we become happy because this is competition between three modes. Sometimes we are in goodness, immediately controlled by goodness, controlled by modes of passion. And sometimes even goodness controlled by modes of ignorance. So sometimes we feel, oh, why we are running? Why is speaking lie? Why is stealing? That is a symptom of modes of goodness. And then immediately we come in the modes of passion. No, we want to enjoy because we don't have lesson. We did not learn. We did not learn truthful honesty, how compassion nature. We are not learning. Everything should be learned. We are not learning. We are learning only how to produce our things, all these things. Not only things, this all the civilization under the control of modes of passion. But there is a great teaching. Unless Bhagavad Gita describes how to become this free from this three modes of material nature. As soon as especially you become free from modes of ignorance and passion, immediately understanding. Immediately people start understanding. They are not greedy. They are not lusty. Those who are lusty and greedy, they cannot help each other. Only those who are modes of goodness, they can help. They can help people. And other people are helping. Those who are modes of passion, must be some motivation. They cannot do charity. It's not possible. So those who are in the modes of goodness, they give knowledge. Because knowledge, happiness appears. Knowledge minimizes our necessity. By knowledge, we become free from greed and hankering. After all, because after all, how much we need? 2-3 pieces cloth, some place for sleeping. Because of modes of passion, we want big flat, big bungalows, 1, 2, 3. Then increasing, all the time increasing. Then people work very, very hard, very, very hard. Nobody likes to work hard. No one likes. Who likes? You like to work hard? No, nobody. Because we are controlled by modes of material nature. That's why forcing us. We don't want to work. We are sick sometime, headache, still we go to work. Pastor Jas Prabhupada gave one example. He has one friend, so big businessman. So he became very, very sick. Doctor told him you'll die. He told doctor, please, whatever money you want, I give. I want to live 3 years more to fulfill my mission. Just see, this person is dying, and after 3 years, he want to finish his mission due to the modes of material nature. Everyone, we don't want insult. Why insult each other? Even we are friends, even wife, children, because of the modes of material nature, we should understand this. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita teaches, everyone must come in the modes of goodness. How? This is whole ISKCON society. Our movement aim is bring people in the modes of goodness. Those who are in the modes of goodness, they get up early in the morning. First thing. They get up early in the morning. Because by the process, by spiritual process, only spiritual process can help people to come on the platform of goodness. Material process, there is no material process. Just like getting up early in the morning, this is a spiritual process, not material. Material means you sleep late, get up late. The spiritual process means no, you should not, because morning time is also controlled by 3 modes of material nature. Time also. Morning is modes of goodness. We are ignorance, but somehow or other we associate time in the modes of goodness, then automatically there will be effect. Take bath nicely. Automatic, even in the morning somebody walks because of time is goodness, he feels very fresh, very fresh. Forget chanting Hare Krishna, other things. Time is, later on just like night time, modes of ignorance, club is started, casino starts, everything. So it is not difficult to understand. It is easy to know people who is the modes of goodness, who is the modes of passion, those who are in the modes of goodness, you associate, you feel very happy, peaceful. He is not greedy, he is ready to help. How they help? By knowledge. Knowledge is most important. So they give knowledge. Those who are in the modes of goodness, they give knowledge. Not material knowledge, they give spiritual knowledge. Somebody gets spiritual knowledge, automatic material knowledge appears. Automatic appears. So it's most important. So point is whole material world designed by 3 modes of material nature. Creation, annihilation, and maintenance according to 3 modes of material nature. Those who are in the modes of goodness, they can maintain very nicely their family, children, society, community. And those who are modes of passion, if they are maintaining, destruction will take place. Why? Because they will take themselves their own pocket. Because greed is there, those passion. So now people are criticizing, all the people are greedy now, all government throughout the world. Why? Because there is no question of, you cannot cure by criticizing. Even you become president tomorrow, you will become greedy because of modes of material nature. So if you want to cure society, spread the knowledge, spread Krishna consciousness. By this knowledge, people can come in the modes of goodness, then they will maintain. Because they don't want, they put everything in their own pocket. Throughout the world, even you go to India, either any other China, anywhere, all the leaders are in the modes of passion, therefore they are not, there is no compassion to the people. We want to change society. You cannot change a society unless change the modes of material nature. Somebody is maintaining in the modes of goodness, then everything, atmosphere will be changed. Because only they know how to maintain. Because they are not greedy, they are not lusty, they will not exploit people. Therefore, there is a need a revolution in the society. Otherwise, very, very difficult. Prabhupada created this society, international society, Krishna consciousness, only how people can become happy. He gave the process. Mam yo abhyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samatyatyana brahma bhuyaya kalpate. By following the process of devotional service, means by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare. Very easily we can come in the modes of goodness. You are a student, those who are old people, forget. You are going to face so much problem in your life. If you maintain modes of goodness by the process of Krishna consciousness, then your life will be happy. Hare Krishna. Now, 7 or 10 minutes remaining. So if you have any question, you can ask. Yes.
You know, from the culture that you're explaining, like boys should not meet with girls. So in today's world, it's like they're university students. You say they should restrict themselves, they should not have some plans for the future. Then how are they going to live? It's like it's not sounding practical.
Culture throughout the world, same. India culture is different. Russian culture is different. American is different. And here you can see different. But I don't feel any different culture. Center is sense gratification due to the modes of material nature. So, we are not preaching change your culture. We are preaching change your consciousness. You are changing your consciousness when you go to university, become a doctor, somebody becoming engineer. Both are not same consciousness. One is doctor's consciousness, one is engineer's consciousness. So we want to remain in your culture, but change your consciousness. Consciousness will be changed when you change your three modes of material nature. We are not telling don't unite. We're telling take commitment. Daginuites unite together. They don't have commitment. One day they jump on one, next day another. So we don't want to exploit society. You can marry systematic way, live systematic way, take responsibility and live happily. That is called modes of goodness. There is no marriage ceremony in animal society. Marriage ceremony, we are not telling, no. Just you have this version, she's my wife, she's my sister, she's my mother. No, we live together. Mother, sister, wife, children. The point is live like this. It's not you can associate this girl today, tomorrow another girl, tomorrow. We don't want this. Because people will not become happy if they behave like cats and dogs. Is it clear? We want change consciousness. She's my wife only. She's my sister. She's my mother. And scripture said, Matravat paradaras. My wife, except my wife, all girls like my mother. There is no exploitation. There is no lust. This is our teaching. What is wrong? What is that? There is no question of rape. There is no question of illicit connection. Society will be very happy. We want like this society. We are not teaching don't. Unite means do sex life with wife. Not with any girls. Not with any boy. What is wrong this? Society will be perfect. Everybody will be happy. Otherwise, today you produce one, I invited one girl, become pregnant, tomorrow another girls become pregnant, third day another girls become pregnant. How much suffering? Who takes responsibility? This is teaching of God. Is it okay? It's clear? Anyone wants to say something? Yes.
Thank you for the class. So sometimes, as you're learning as students, when you're finished on university, you're looking for jobs. So we might find ourselves that if you can't get a job, you get a job something like a club. You're working in a club and that you're working in a mode of ignorance. So is there a way that you can maintain a mode of goodness?
No. You have independent to select a job. You will get one bread. Nobody can stop bread. Nobody can live hungry in this much kingdom of God. It's not possible. If ant is getting food, elephant is getting ant one piece of sugar, elephant 1000 kg eats. We are most intelligent human being. Will not get. Those who are ignorant, they can go in the club. You are educated. You are learning science of God. So you should not go. You will get your bread. This much determination there. So many jobs, you have choice. Somebody does not know, they let them go. But you know very well why you are going. You don't go. You will get job. There is so many job in factory, so many job. How many people are working in the club? Very few people. In factory, so many thousand people are working. I think that is also more of passion, but better than club. So up to you where you want. Maybe you want more money, greed, enjoy in club. That is up to you. This is our decision. Just like you can so many food there, up to your decision. You can eat meat, either fruits, vegetable. This is your decision. So what is meaning of education? Education means I have learned this thing, I should practice in my life. Do you follow me? It's clear? Thank you. Any other question from students' side? Yes. Ask. I understand your question. No. In the modes of goodness. Yeah, material education. Spiritual education, modes of goodness. So, this society will be like this. Even if you give somebody nice food, milk, fruits, flour, vegetable, bread, are nice, still someone will going to eat meat 100%. You cannot stop. But we are talking those who are interested. One class of people will be in the modes of goodness. By their management, all the people will be happy. Do you follow? Meat eater all the time in the society will remain, but not all the people. I meet so many people, even local people, so many people I did not like. Even I was not liking meat even before. Because they were in the modes of goodness. Due to circumstances, they were eating. As soon as they got a chance, they left. To follow. So some people will remain, must come in the modes of goodness, and they can create good society, happy society. To follow. We are not talking all the people will be changed. It is not possible. Even they want to be changed, they will not be changed. It is not possible. But some people must be changed. To follow me? It's called those who are in the modes of goodness, passionate people will remain also. Ignorance people will remain. But must be some people must be in the modes of goodness. That is called priestly class of people. They teach other people. To follow me? It is clear? Thank you. Yes. I am old man, so I need. You can tell me. I am little here, loud, loud. Those who are in the modes of goodness. Oh, it's very good. You are already doing. You stay here. Yeah. You are staying the ashram there, girls ashram. Not okay. So those who just like I am giving example first. So you want to become first class drunkard, you have to associate with drunkards, those who drinks. To follow? So if you want to come in the modes of goodness, you associate a person who is in the modes of goodness. He will teach you, he will train you. Just like Sita Mataji, she is in the modes of goodness. Associate, learn from her. Those who are in the goodness, their lifestyle is different. If you want very quick progress, at least once a week, come stay in the temple. And you get a test, how you get up, when you get up early in the morning, what you feeling. These are the activities of modes of goodness. Very easy. But when you associate a person who is in the modes of goodness, they can train you. By our own effort, it is not possible to come in the modes of goodness. But you have to take help a person who is in the modes of goodness. This is practical. Clear? Thank you.